3-minute trader tips, pivot points and trading. One of the things that we do in this 3-minute trader tip series is focus some of our videos on beginner traders and unpick some of the terminology that you may hear as you develop in your trading career. In this video, we're going to look at what we mean by pivot points and how potentially they can be used in your trading. When we look at price action, there are times when the price of an asset will change and move in the opposite direction. We see this on many candles and may often create a high or low price point in a series of candles. The pivot high or pivot low usually relates to the wick created by the last candle in a specific direction. So for example here, we see a pivot low with the wick there before the change in direction to the upside. And we also see here a pivot high before a change in direction to the downside. We often see a series of pivots at previous support or resistance levels. And these particular price actions can form the basis for specific trading strategies. So if you can identify that change in direction, potentially you can get in early to take advantage of this up move, and vice versa here, of course, to the downside. There are two scenarios that can occur when a pivot high or pivot low is created. First of all, the change in direction is temporary with a small retracement in price and then a continuation in the original direction. This forms the basis for a trend continuation strategy, and we've covered this in a previous video. Or, as we showed in the previous example, the change in direction is a reversal and a new trend begins in the opposite direction for at least some period of time. And this forms the basis for a reversal strategy. So critical is that we understand these price movements so we can potentially be there to take advantage of it. Of course, in either case, we don't know how long a move will last. And so, of course, we add criteria to this simple price action of a pivot high or pivot low to try and create higher probability entries, meaning it's going to have more chance of going in our desired direction. And of course, we always have exit strategies in place. Trade safe, and we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye for now.